Here's how to back up files from an Insta360 camera to USB storage using only your Android device, no computer required. This is a two-step process. First, we copy the files to the Android device, and second, we move the files to the USB drive. It's that second step that's a bit tricky, but I will show you how to do it. Watch this YouTube short on my channel where I beg Insta360 to add a mobile backup feature directly into their app. Someone from Insta360 actually responded to my video and said they will ask the developers to look into this, which would be amazing. But until then, just follow this how-to right here. I'm using an Insta360 X4 and a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, but the procedure should be the same for other Insta360 cameras and other Android devices. Okay, let's go! First, we connect the Insta360 app to the camera as usual. Select the files we wish to back up and download them. This creates copies of the files in a special folder on the phone. Accessing that folder to get to those files is where the hacking begins. Don't worry, it's actually really easy to set up and even easier to use afterwards. The files are under the Android data folder, but as you can see, the My Files app from Samsung doesn't allow me to access the contents of that folder. However, another app that is part of Android itself can access these directories. It is simply called Files. You can find it in Settings Apps when you scroll down to F. Here it is with the blue icon. But we cannot simply start that app. I believe it is designed to be like a file picker for other apps to use and not as a standalone app. There is a way to run this app though. Go to the Play Store and install the Shortcut Maker. I'm not affiliated in any way with this. I simply found that that's what I need to make it work. Install at your own risk. Then we run Shortcut Maker, and here you might be tempted to use folders or files, but forget that. What you want is activities. Scroll down to the Files app and expand the view. Then tap on the entry that ends with Files Activity. Hit the big Create Shortcut button and add to home screen. Now we have a shortcut to Android's Files app on our home screen, and we can start the app whenever we need it. Now you want to attach the USB thumb drive or external SSD to your Android phone or tablet. As you can see here, I have to use a USB-A to USB-C adapter. No biggie. I start the Files app using the handy shortcut I just created. Tap the burger icon in the top left corner and pick the device storage. In my case, this shows up as S23 Ultra from Chris. Now again, we go to Android Data. Ta-da! We can now see the contents. And here we look for the folder of the Insta360 app, which is called com.arashivision.insta360 akiko. Open that and keep stepping into the directories. Files, Insta360 1R, Gallery Original, X4, which is the camera model I use, you might have a different one, Camera 01. And here we have the files we copied over from the camera earlier. Now all that's left to do is select all and move the files to the USB drive. Backup done! Depending on the size of the files and the free space on your Android device, you might need to repeat this procedure of copying to the phone and then moving to the USB drive multiple times. But with the shortcut to the Files app already set up, from now on this procedure is really easy to do. By the way, you can delete the Shortcut Maker app now if you like. It has done its job. You are watching my brand new tech channel. Please do me a favor and subscribe for more tech content. Like and share this video and let me know in the comment section which camera and Android device you're using this little hack with. Keep your precious videos safe and back them up because SD cards can and will fail. Stay awesome. See ya.